In India, most people don't know what PharmD really is.
Have you ever felt like you are choosing the wrong course?
You are not alone. Thousands of PharmD students in India feel inferior, confused, or even invisible.
But today we are here to change that perspective. Let's talk about why it happens and how to take back your confidence.
So, welcome to the PharmD Doctors. And today we are here with a very hot topic: why PharmD students feel inferior and how to overcome it.
So we have divided this video into 3 segments.
Part 1: why do most PharmD students feel inferior?
So let's be honest. The lack of awareness is one of the biggest reasons. Even after 16 years in India, most people don't know what even PharmD means.
People ask, "Oh, you are pharmacist. You sell medicines." Even some compare us with B.Pharm or diploma pharmacy.
Without knowing the clinical aspect of PharmD. Yes, we are pharmacists, but there is clinical aspect in this course PharmD. But बहुत सारे लोग इस चीज़ में confuse हो जाते हैं and they compare us with diploma pharmacy. अच्छा, PharmD means diploma, no?
And then comes the biggest confusion: doctor title confusion.
We earn it, but we are questioned for using it.
That leads to a very big identity crisis.
Add to that poor infrastructure, lack of placement, and colleges that promise but don't deliver. So it's natural to feel lost.
Lastly, our peers, MBBS, BDS, even nursing get clearer role in hospital.
And we are still fighting for recognition that hits hard. Okay, moving to next part, why you shouldn't feel inferior.
But here is the truth: PharmD is a very powerful degree.
You are trained in pharmacotherapy, patient counseling, evidence-based care,
and drug interactions. In countries like US, PharmD leads medication therapy teams. Even in India, clinical pharmacist role are slowly growing.
You have 6 years of hardcore education. That's more than most of the healthcare programs. आप पीछे नहीं हैं. You are just in a system that is still evolving. So कभी भी अपने आप को inferior नहीं समझना है. It's just the game of the systems.
Remember, inferiority comes from comparison. You can't compare tiger on land and fish in water. But leadership comes from clarity and action. So it's better to focus कि आपको कितना आता है, आप कितने पानी में हो. मेक श्योर करें कि जो ट्रेंड में स्किल्स हैं वो आपके पास हों और उनके साथ आप चलें. ट्रेंड के साथ जो स्किल्स चेंज हो रही हैं आप भी चेंज करते जाएं अपने आप को. मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू पार्ट 3, how to overcome it, the most important part of this video.
Tip number 1, build confidence by building competence. Try to learn things deeply, practice clinical cases. Don't just pass, excel. Try to learn, excel in whatever area you are or interested in.
Tip number 2, speak up. हमको बताना होगा कि PharmD क्या है और PharmD का roles and responsibilities कैसे है हॉस्पिटल में.
And we have to start educating people. जैसे कि नीलेश ने बोला कि PharmD के बारे में अवेयरनेस नहीं है, तो we have to aware through multiple channels like LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. So we have to come as a team and speak up about PharmD.
Tip number 3, don't wait for your college to give you everything. Do some certification courses like BLS, ACLS, attend webinars, do internship even in remote areas.
Tip number 4, focus on contribution, publish articles, help patient by giving them patient counseling, start awareness campaign by health and wellness camp. So that's how real doctors are made, not by the degree alone.
You chose PharmD for a reason, so don't let the system make you feel small. You are a part of next generation clinical leaders, so walk like it, speak like it,
And study like it.
So last but not least, own your white coat, own your doctor title, and never ever feel inferior again.
So I hope you guys like this video. So do subscribe, like and comment if you ever feel like this in your whole PharmD journey.
So that's it for today. Thank you so much.